Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful and easy scrunchies with flower. You can easily to make this smaller or bigger. For more detail and sizes visit my website. Let us start. Easy crochet scrunchies for girls. I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool, 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. For small size 6.5 inches, cut elastic band and stitch together with a needle and then start work. Make a single crochet around the ribbon. Single crochet, continue and make single crochet around the ribbon. Continue and make single crochet around the slip stitch in the first stitch. Single crochet 59 and one single crochet more 60. I have 60 single crochet in the band. Make one slip stitch in the first stitch. Slip stitch. Make a chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Make a chains 40 37 38 39 40 40 chains 1 2 3 4. Into 4th chain make a double crochet, 2 chains in the space post of the double crochet stitch, make a single crochet. In the next double crochet make a double crochet, 2 chains, single crochet post of the same double crochet stitch, double crochet in the next chain, 2 chains in the same double crochet stitch, make a single crochet. Next chain, double crochet, 2 chains, single crochet post of the same double crochet stitch. Continue and follow the same work across till the end. Double crochet, chains 2 and single crochet, same post of the double crochet stitch. Follow the same work across till the end. Okay, finish off here and then fold flower in around. Fold and sew inside with a needle. with a needle, sew and join. Attach with elastics, single crochet stitches. Attach stitches here together and then finish off. Okay friends, I have completed a scrunchies. You can make it smaller or bigger in different color and sizes. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.